Hey folks, Garth here. We're going to cover a quick lower body mobility flow and the components that build that into the flow. It's going to last about 10-15 minutes or so, and we're going to quickly go through the exercises individually, and we're going to do about 5 reps on each exercise on each side and put that together into the little flow at the end. This will just help keeping your hips and your lower body in general a lot happier whenever you can't really get to the gym and get that much training in. So we're going to start off in the 90-90 position. So just get down on the floor, one leg out in front, bent at 90 degrees, the other leg out the side, also bent at 90 degrees. Try and keep both hip bones on the floor. If you can't, if you're up a little bit, that's fine. If you have to support your hand, that's fine. Or even if you're on the elbow, that's also fine. If you need to put something under the butt cheek here and the lead leg to lift yourself up, go ahead and do that as well. So from there, all we're going to do is we're just going to do 5 circles in alternating directions. Try not to round in the lower back as you're doing it. Now this can be done at any speed, so whatever speed suits you, especially if you're stuck at home and you're not allowed out to work. So that's one side. So just switch over like this, no fancy switches or anything like that. And then the other side, 5 alternating. From there, you're going to go back to the first side, and then you're just going to, from your 90-90 position, bring your lead foot in at more of an angle, so it's almost touching or is touching the top of the thigh of the lagging leg. From there, you're just going to use your glutes, and you're just going to stand up, preferably without touching the floor, just 5 times. And give the glutes a squeeze at the top to bring the hips forward. And then again, just swap sides. So start your 90-90, just bring that leg in and up. 5 times. Now if you need to, you can help yourself up. Like that. So from there, back to the first side again. You're in that last position, and then you're just going to go up, step forward, and back 5 times. Really try and go as far over that ankle without the foot coming up as you can. And come back. And again, if you need to, support yourself on the floor as you're moving through. Now swap legs. So up, out into the lunge, and back. So the next step is we're going to go from the long lunge and just twist into a Cossack position. So I'll just show you this one from a different angle. So from here, you go out into your long lunge on the first position, on the first leg. So you're here. What you're going to do then is tuck the toes under, straighten that leg, and go into a Cossack lunge. Of course, you can support yourself as you need. So rotate back. Knee down, knee up, Cossack, back, down, up, and turn. So you want this foot to be as flat on the floor as you can get it. And then we'll do that on the other side. So we're down in this position, up, we flint out, so I'll do it from that side there. So you're out in your long lunge, tuck this knee under, up, rotate. Touch and round, up, round, one more, up and round. And then just rest for a second. So from that Cossack position that we're in, we're going to then just transition over to the other side, Cossack. So as we do this, we're just going to do 5 reps, so 10 in total, going from one side to the other side as smoothly as possible. The key is to stay as low as possible in the hips, but if you start off high and you have to work down there over time, that's absolutely fine. So we're going to start off, get into your Cossack position, foot flat on the floor, leg out nice and straight in front of you. Stand as low as you can, just swap sides. Again, you can use your hands to help. See, I'm still nice and low, but if you have to come up, that's absolutely fine as well. And you want to try and make it as smooth as you can. Like that. So the Cossack position is really good for moving through all the ranges that your hip's going to be moving through in general sort of sport and life. So it's a good movement to get good at. Now the last movement that we're going to cover is from the Cossack position up to a split leg stance. So if we've gotten into this here Cossack position, you're just going to put your hands on the floor by your bent leg, turn on the ball of your foot so that you're in a kind of extended long lunge, and then you're just going to straighten that leg and bend it again. So again, you're coming as far over this ankle as you can without lifting your heel. And you're just going to 5 times straighten and bend that leg. One more. And then the other side, so the Cossack position on this side, hands here on the ball of the foot, turn around, and straightening and bending that leg. There you go, that's all the parts that we're going to have in this little flow. The good idea is to do them all 5 times each on each side first as the main sort of workout, and the flow is just there at the end to sort of link it together so that your body starts to get used to transitioning from movement to movement. So we'll do the flow once on one side and then once on the other side. Get into your 90-90 position. So one circle one way, one circle the other way. Bring the foot to just above the knee, engage the glutes, stand up, push the hips forward. Lean out into our long lunge. Tuck the foot under at the back, straighten that leg. Turn into your Cossack squat. Swap sides, hands on the floor. Turn onto the balls of your foot. Straighten your leg. Come back into your Cossack squat. Swap over, switch to your long lunge, put your knee on the floor, come back, sweep the leg around to meet the foot, sit back down, extend the foot out, one circle one way, and one circle the other way. So that's at one side, let's do the other side. So we're in our 90-90, one circle one way, one circle the other way, foot to the leg, up, engaging those hips, pushing the glutes really tight so they're going forward. Bring the leg around into your long lunge. Tuck the foot under. Straighten that leg. Change into your Cossack squat. Transition across. Hands on the floor, on the ball of your foot, roll around. Straighten that leg. Back down into the long lunge. Cossack squat. Transition. Long lunge. Knee on the floor. Up. Sweep that leg round. Leg to the foot. Back down. Leg out into your 90-90. One circle. And the other circle. So once you get good at the movements themselves and the positions don't cause any sort of tightness or restriction, you can just practice going through the flow at the end there. Do that 5 or 10 times on each side as the workout itself, because it's more about being able to comfortably transition and hold yourself in positions as you're moving through a sort of movement pattern, rather than just be able to get one position and reach it and hold it under stress. So the key is get comfortable with moving.